Meaning of glum.
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 Glum. The word glum is an adjective that describes a feeling of being sad, gloomy, or dejected. When someone is glum, they may have a lack of energy, enthusiasm, or a sense of hopelessness. This emotion can be caused by many different things such as personal problems, stress, or a difficult situation. People who are glum often appear to be withdrawn, quiet, and unresponsive. While it is normal to feel down sometimes, being in a glum state for an extended period may lead to depression and other mental health issues.